Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. It's that time of the year, so let's embrace it with a mango smoothie. Ingredients required for mango smoothie are mangoes, water, banana, sugar and hung curd. First, we'll take around 3 tablespoons mangoes, chop it and keep it in freezer for at least 2 hours. If it's really chilled, it will be a very good smoothie. Then around 1.5 tablespoon banana. I've done the same with the banana. Around 1 tablespoon hung curd and sugar as per your taste. Add water. Don't add too much of water. We'll blend it once. If it's required more, we'll add. We'll add little water because it's too thick. A mango smoothie is ready. So start sipping it already before the season ends. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.